Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you job opportunities, like very new job opportunities. These job opportunities are new, so fresh, they were just posted. So I'm just bringing it to you so you can be among the first to apply for these jobs, okay? And these jobs have visa sponsorship, they have relocation package, some have accommodation, some are going to pay for your flight. It's really amazing, and they are in different occupations. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you many jobs in this video in different occupations, so you may want to watch to the end so you can see the opportunities I'll be sharing in this video. If you're just meeting, my name is Jackie. You're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe so you can be seeing more videos like this, and also give this video a like, that is a thumbs up, so this video can reach people that really need this information, and also share the video with others. I want to thank everyone that shares my videos. When I talk to some people, they tell me, oh, someone shared your video with me, my sister, my uncle, a friend. I'm always so proud of my subscribers because you guys share my videos a lot. Thank you so much for that. And do continue sharing the video so we can help as many people as possible. And if you want to talk to me privately, you can do so by sending me an email, and we can talk about your personal needs as regards your relocation goals. All right, so let me show you these jobs real quick. Let's look at these new jobs posted here. They are in different occupations. So in this video, you see jobs in different occupations you can apply to. This one here is for a physiotherapist. Yeah, it's a healthcare role and it has visa sponsorship, right? And this one is quite new. It closes on the 18th of April, but as always, as I would always say, it's good to apply as soon as possible. So let's see more details about this. So Carrier One is the one, that posted this opening. It's a job site where you can go check for different jobs in different occupations, whether you're in Australia or you're outside Australia. This is a very good place to get a job. They have hundreds of thousands of jobs advertised on the site. Okay, so this is for a full-time physiotherapist or occupational therapist. And the salary listed, the range is 85 to 97,000 annually. It's written here that visa sponsorship is considered for the right candidate. So you need to be like real good for them to want to hire you from overseas, obviously. And when it comes to your qualification, you need a minimum of relevant bachelor's degree. You need good communication and interpersonal skills. You need, the desire for personal growth within the organization, different things like that. And this is the offer. Relocation allowance is also part of what they're offering as well. So you get visa sponsorship and you also get a relocation allowance. What this relocation allowance does is it's money they give to you basically, that is going to aid your relocation to start this new job. So it could be for your flight ticket, it could be for accommodation, whatever it is, you're just going to get a relocation allowance, to ease your move down. All right, so let's look at another one. This is for a registered nurse, and registered nurses always have a wonderful relocation package, visa sponsorship, flight ticket, accommodation. It's always real good. So if you're a nurse, Australia is a good place to go. The salary range for this one is 68,000 to $95,000 per annum. So it's something you need to check out. I think 2 years experience is what they're looking for here. Is it? Okay. Okay, let me just read this. We can help you with a short-term employer-sponsored visa if required, but are also committed to assisting you with your journey to permanent residency following a successful period of employment of 2 years. Okay, so after 2 years, you can apply for permanent residency in Australia. All right, that's good information right there. So you can check this out. You need to register with AHPRA, obviously. You need to be a licensed nurse to practice in Australia. So you can do your registration and all of that. They're going to assist you with that. So this was posted like recently, I think yesterday or today. It's very recent. It closes on 29th of April. So try and apply as soon as possible. I'll share these links in my Telegram channel, but I'll show you how to get here anyway. It's very easy. I'll show you how to get here at the end of the video. All right, so this is a community-based occupational therapist, visa sponsorship for onshore applicants. So I guess you need to be in Australia to get this. Let's see. Yeah, I guess so. So, well, visa sponsorship is available, so you can explore this. I have viewers in Australia that need a visa sponsorship job, so they can also take advantage of this as well. They have competitive salary, required technology is provided, fuel reimbursements, really good things here. So you can check it out if it's something you want to apply for. Then you apply. Sponsorship opportunities available for a candidate with minimum of 2 years experience. So you need to have at least 2 years experience to be able to get this job and also get the sponsorship. Okay. All right. So let's see another one. This is for a midwife. Midwives also have an amazing offer when it comes to employment in Australia. So let's just see some details. This is okay. So they have visa sponsorship. Yeah. It says they are seeking to offer sponsorship visas to a number of midwives to stay in or relocate to Australia. So if you're within Australia or outside Australia, you can apply for this. And it's open to more than one candidate. Okay. So they are hiring more than one. So you can check this out. They have sponsorship, relocation, all these healthcare jobs are so amazing in Australia. They have like full relocation package, for the people they employ. So there's a phone number here you can call, and there's also an email address listed here. So you can check that out. Healthcare work in Australia at randstad.com.au. So you can check it out and apply if you want to be a midwife in Australia. All right, let's take a look at this one. This is for a chef. Okay. So salary here is 60,000 to 70,000 per annum. And this is really good. Chefs are really wanted in Australia. So you can check this out, see if you meet the requirements and you apply for the job. So it's really cool. So just check it out. Let's see another one. I think I have another for, well, we'll see more of that. So this is for a senior financial accountant, 6 months contract with sponsorship. So you want to take this job, you can. You can always get this job, and then while you are in Australia, you get something else, before the contract expires. Well, you know how these things work. So if you want to take this up, you look at what this entails. They have so much details on this. So you can read all the details, the job description, and all of that, even the qualifications, everything about the job is all listed here. So you can go through it, and if you're the best candidate or if you qualify for this, to go ahead and apply. Okay. So let's see another one. This is for a chef. Sponsorship is available. There are so many jobs for chefs here, so many of them. I think I'll just do a video on how to migrate to Australia as a chef. I think I should do that. Watch out for that video. So this is 70,000 to 85,000. Yeah. So you can send your resume to this email address. An email is provided for you to send your application. So send your CV and cover letter to this email address, and you need at least 3 years of experience as a chef to apply for this. Okay, so let me show you how I got these jobs. These jobs are on Workforce Australia. The URL is workforceaustralia.gov.au, right? So, okay, let's go to the homepage. All right, so this is the homepage, workforceaustralia.gov.au. I'm just trying to show you how to find these jobs. So you come here and type in keywords, type in location. You can see there are 288,000 jobs available at the moment, but not all of them have visa sponsorship, obviously. So you have to search for what you're looking for here. If you're looking for a midwife, for example, you search midwife and add visa sponsorship to it. Visa sponsorship. And then you search. So the jobs will now come up, right? So this is midwife sponsorship. And then you can search the number, how recent you want it. If it's the past 3 days, see that 3 days ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, or if you want jobs for the past week or past fortnight. And you can also extend your search to location in Australia and all of that. So this is how to find the jobs. All right, so you can go here, Workforce Australia, and look for any role that you want. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'm going to be sharing more videos to show you more job opportunities as they come up. So I'll be doing my research to show you the best possible jobs out there that have visa sponsorship. So do give this video a like, that is a thumbs up, and also share it with others so they can take advantage of these job opportunities as well. And do subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.